Schedules allow the automatic operation of the system at set times of the day. Imagine turning landscape lights on automatically at sunset or turning on lights in the home for night lighting. This can be accomplished with a schedule. Tap Add Schedule. Start by selecting the days of the week you would like the scene to run on. In this case, we will run the schedule every day of the week. Scenes can be run at a specific time of day or be triggered by sunrise or sunset. Let's select sunrise or sunset. Here you can choose to run a scene at sunrise, sunset, or at any point before or after. Tap Next to move on. Next, we will create a name for the scene. Tap Next. Choose the devices that will be used in this schedule. In this case, we will turn on a small lamp in the living room for night lighting. Here you can select the exact light level for the device. Schedules can also contain shades and audio. Tap Done to save your scene.